Hey guys, for today's video, mm, it's gonna be one of the eye looks for the new Jeffree Star Bloodlust because I've been doing a look every day. So let's just hop in because I do have somewhere I gotta be. I'm gonna do something a little bit more softer. So here we got the. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah, very beautiful. So I was just thinking about doing something kind of soft because all the looks I've done have not been soft. So, uh, this is a look that I would probably do just because it is like a softer. So, because I don't usually wear these looks out like this. So, I'm gonna go in with a Morphe 441. It is a ginormous fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in with Royal Pain, which is this muted pink right here. So, just going to go in there, roll my brush around, tap off all extra. And I'm going to tap some on the back of my hand because I barely want like a wash of color. And then kind of just like go all over the lid actually. And for my base, I did go in with the, what is it, the MAC Paint Pot and Soft Ochre. So for this, I'm just going to go like that. So kind of just like barely, but I do want to wing this out, so I'm just going to kind of cover the whole lid and then pull it out. So like that. Very soft. And then what I will do is I want to take something a little bit darker. So I'm going to go in with probably this one. This is the Morphe E36 brush. It's like a super small detail brush. And what I'm going to do is grab the same shade and I'm going to really hit that lower lash line with it because I like that sick look. Yeah, so yeah. So I really like to focus the color right here. And then I'll pull whatever's extra just along. So kind of like that. It kind of just deepens my eye and makes me look a little bit tired, but I kind of like that look. And then I'm actually going to create a wing just to elongate the eye. But instead of doing the wing like that, I'm going to do it straight out. I am going to want to deepen it though. And I'm going to hit it with a little bit of Dungeon. It's like a plum. And I'm going to do it right here on the outer part. Just because I like this part to be deeper than the top. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with this Morphe 217 brush. And then I'm just going to create a wing. This is like a little slanted eyeliner brush. And then I use the Jeffree Star lipstick shade in Weirdo. I like using this brush because it lets me use any of his lipsticks for, I guess, any kind of wing or any kind of design I want to do. So I'm just going to coat the brush in the lipstick. So when the lipstick comes out, it's super watery. But after it's exposed to air for a little bit, it starts to turn into more of a gel texture. So you can honestly like manipulate it however you want. I usually find that having it as a liquid is just a little bit better. Yeah. So I used to struggle with eyeliner I don't know why, but this brush is like so useful. Like if you don't know how to do eyeliner, I really recommend this brush. I never realized how useful this would be. It's like that. And then so now because it is there, I actually do want to deepen up the... Oh, where's the thing? I always keep the little top on the brush just because it has like... I'd consider it like paint, so I don't want it to like stain any of the other stuff that it's touching. So now because I did do that, I am going to want to deepen up the lower lash line a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with Dungeon again on the same little Morphe E36 brush. So like that. I like that look. I feel like it looks pretty cool. Gives me like that slanted kind of like lower down eye. Like this definitely looks lower than this. So with this, I think I'm going to do more very glamorous and bright and purple. Oh wait, no. I'm only going to do this side for this video. I'm going to go in with that black again though, and I'm actually going to hit up my eyebrow because I want the line to just be a little bit deeper. So I kind of use this to like really just deepen my brow a little bit. And it still makes it look like natural because the brush is so thin. So you kind of just like fill it in a little bit. I usually just like to, I like to deepen the outer part because I feel like it adds good definition to it. I wish I did this before I added the paint pot. I can actually, I don't know where my like eyebrow brush went. I feel like it's under the bed somewhere, but okay, so like that I really like. How do I pull this up a little bit more? Cool. So I really like that. It really deepens out the outer part and then kind of lightens it on its own. And then, I mean, I wouldn't normally add a shimmer to this look because I like the whole matte look to it. I do want to deepen like the lid though a little bit. So I'm probably gonna go in with this Real Techniques brush. There is a little bit of green on it, so hopefully it comes off. But what I'm gonna do is basically try and get royal paint on it and deepen the lid itself because I want the lid to be a little bit more deep. Yeah, so I do like how that came out. And then, so for the second look, no, that's it. This is it for this video. This is a very sad boy kind of vibe. You can honestly do this too. This isn't part of like the eye, but like you can use the royal paint shade just because it's like a muted peachy rose. And hit it as a blush, honestly. Just hit the nose. So right underneath. And then blend it upwards. Yeah, like I like that. And you can even hit the cheeks a little bit with, I mean, you would obviously want to use a bigger brush, but just to give it that rosy, it's right there. Like, right here. It's right there. You see how it's like the shade is honestly a super nice blush. Just like that. And then, yeah. I mean, I don't usually use blush, but you could use it like that if you want. So very soft, very simple day to day. And the other side, let's hit it with a little bit more glamour. For this glamour side, I'm going to be doing a lot of more packing motions because I really want that pigment to show up on my skin. So, step one, I'm going to grab... Blood Queen, which is this cool tone purple over here. Or it's like a mixture, I don't know. So I'll grab that on this Sonia Kashuk brush that I got from Target. And then I'm really just gonna pack it here. Oh snap.